Wondering what makes a resume stand out in 2025? It's all about showcasing the right skills. But how do you know which skills to include? Start by breaking them into hard and soft skills. Hard skills are technical and measurable, like coding, graphic design, or operating machinery. Soft skills, on the other hand, focus on personality traits like communication, teamwork, and problem solving. And here's a pro tip. Use the job description as a cheat sheet. Highlight the skills they're asking for. Then match those skills to your experience. Show, don't just tell. Need inspiration? We've compiled 180 plus skills examples for every type of job on our blog. Visit Resume Now for expert tips and examples to get started today.